What's up guys, it's Aaron from How Choose by Bros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a front flip 180. It's called a Barani, some people call it, but it's called a front flip 180. And so let's dive right into it. So first of all, you want to know how to do the movement of a front flip 180 either on the trampoline or into a foam pit if you have access to one, or on a mattress or something. Front flip 180 is pretty simple, pretty easy. It's just you're basically, I like to use my arms to actually, like, most people do front flip 180s like this, but I like to do front flip 180s like using my arms to go up like that. I don't know, it's just different, but some people like different ways, but I'm just gonna show you both ways. But so what you're gonna do is just get a little bit of running space, and then but not too much, a little bit, and then get some speed, and then take a small hop just to get some momentum, and then shoot up and then turn, just like, and then it just turns into a front flip 180. It's really simple, it's really easy. My friend Joe just did it, and it was pretty easy for him. So
definitely.
All right, that's pretty much it guys. Just go up, you know, don't go forward, don't go up, and then just twist, and then it just turns into one. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's how to do a front flip 180 or how to do a Barani. Click some of the links in the description for my Instagram. I share about real life stuff, and also click the link in the description for a backflip ebook. We'll show you exactly how to do a backflip on the ground and on the trampoline. So thank you so much for watching. God bless. Have a great day.